Now testing of a function. How can you test of a function? If from diagram, if it is given your diagram like this curve is a function or not. Just you take any point on x. Suppose it is -2. -2 has two value in y. X is the domain. X always is independent, so x is the domain. So domain has two codomain. So this diagram, if it is x and y, this diagram is not a function. If you take a circle, these things are in class 10 also. This is not a function because every domain has two codomain. Any number if you take, it has two codomain. One value is here, one value is here. If you take 0, 0 also has two value in y, so it is not a function. If you take another example, like parabola. Is it a function? Yes, it is a function because every element or every codomain, every domain has separate codomain. Suppose you take here 0. 0 is domain and it has only one codomain, means y value. Every x has only one value of y, so it is a function. But this is not function. This is not function. Same if you take another example of this. Again another parabola upside down. So this is also a function because you take here one value of domain. It has only one value in y. Here, suppose here is -2 and here is 3. It has different value in y, so it is a function. This is a function. This one also function. This is not a function. This diagram also no function. Okay. If there is constantly it is going, suppose x-axis and y-axis, 1. It is going with the constant speed. This is a function or not? Yes, this is also is a function. Why? Every element in x has separate value in y. Y value is different. So if you take coordinate of x, here, this point, coordinate here, if you take A, B, C, 3 points. So they have different value. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you take coordinate of this set 2, 4, 6, 8. So here you will get 1, 8, 3, 8, 1, 8, 3, 8, 4, 5, 8, 5, 8 as per the rule. So 1, 2, 3, first coordinate all are distinct, separate. So this is also a function. So this is function, but these two are not a function. Now on function we will practice one example. If fx is equal to 1 plus x when x is greater than equal to minus 1 but less than 0, x square minus 1 if x is greater than 0 but less than 2, and 2x if x is greater than equal to 2, equal to 2. Then find f3, f minus 2, f0, f half, this much. How to find? One by one. Just you take f3. So f3, 3, x value is 3. So 3 is greater than, here is 3 is, x is greater than 2. So 3 is greater than 2. So we will take is equal to 2 times, here is 2x. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Very simple. Finish. Now f minus 2. F minus 2. So negative 2, you have to think here. Negative 2 means x value is less than 0. So here is x value is less than 0. So negative 2. So we will choose first function here. So 1 plus x. So 1 plus the value of negative 2. Negative 2. What will get? Negative 1. Finish. f0. f0 means x value should be 0. Here x is greater than 0. X is less than 0. There is a no equal to 0. So it is undefined. We cannot define it. It's not a function. So x is equal to 0 is not a function. Is not a function. Next we'll go for x. F half. F half. Half means it is more than 0 but less than 1. So x value is more than 0 and less than 2. Here we'll take half. So is equal to, what is condition for this? X square minus 1. X square minus 1. X value you take half. 1 by 2 square minus 1. What will get? 1 by 4 minus 1. Simplify. LCM is 4. So 1 minus 4 is equal to negative 3 by 4. In this way, any function we can find the value. Finish.